Today, I want to talk to you about a product that we share with many of our clients and several have used over the years. It's great whether you're an investor or an end user purchasing a property for yourself to move into. First-time home buyers, it's great. What it is it's called Purchase Plus Improvements. Simply put, you purchase a property and you can roll some of your renovation dollars into your mortgage. Now, every lender is different, all with different rules and regulations to making this work. So we're going to speak about this very generically, but several of the lenders offer this product. Clients of mine purchased a property. They then were able to roll $60,000 of their $100,000 massive renovation that they're about to take on into their mortgage, which means of their $100,000 renovation, they only now needed $40,000 in actual cash. The rest was paid out and rolled into their mortgage. Now, you can't go and buy a Porsche or anything like that with this money. It has to go into home improvements, and it's all monitored by the lender as it comes out of their account to your contractor or to yourself if you're doing the small renovations yourself. But this can be for anything like fixing up a floor or renovating a bathroom to a kitchen, depending on, again, all the numbers and how this works out and how much you need and qualify for. So as a first-time home buyer, you buy something again that needs a new bathroom, you don't have the extra cash because you're completely tapped to get your mortgage. Well, now we can do that in the mortgage money. Like my clients, they did this on a move up. They have a place to live while they're going through this massive renovation, and it works for them as well. Or if you're an investor buying your first property or whatever the number is, and you, again, need some money, extra money to do some renovations to now rent it for top dollar. We can do that with the bank's money that you're going to then mortgage out on the property and have your tenant pay off, right? This product is amazing. I'd love to talk to you more about it. Whether you're thinking about buying a property for yourself or as an investment, this conversation is great to have, and this product is great for you to use. Again, it's Kevin Breitner with Remax Real Estate Center and the Cressy team. Thank you so much for your time, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.
Well, you must have liked what you were watching. You made it all the way to the end. Thank you for your time. If you want to follow along with us some more, always subscribe to our channel, as we're always putting out content like this for you to enjoy. Thanks for learning. Bye for now.